Once you are done cleaning, rinse off all the parts with water and dry them thoroughly with a clean towel. Make sure everything is completely dry before reassembling the mixer grinder, and that's it. Your mixer grinder is now sparkling clean and ready to use again. Remember to clean your mixer grinder regularly to keep it in good conditions. So guys, I just want to take a moment to say thank you for watching my video. Your support means everything to me. Creating content in my passion and knowing that you enjoy it makes all the